Integrating technology in HyFlex learning design. In HyFlex learning, technology is not just a support, it's the connective tissue that brings together students who are learning in different times, spaces, and formats. But using technology well doesn't mean chasing the latest app or trend. It means making thoughtful choices that align with your content, your teaching strategies, and your students' needs and realities. This is where the TPACK framework helps us think more clearly. Content knowledge. What do your students need to learn? Pedagogical knowledge. How do you help them learn it? Technological knowledge. What tools can support or enhance this learning? Let's take a simple example. Students collaboratively design a proposal for sustainable innovation. Now, how would this look in HyFlex approach? In person, they might use whiteboards, sticky notes, or large format paper for brainstorming. Online, synchronously, they could work in breakout rooms or digital whiteboards built for collaboration. Asynchronous, they contribute ideas to a shared app, co-edit a shared presentation, or build a concept board. The goal remains the same: collaborative ideation. But digital technologies adapt to the mode, offering equivalent opportunities, not identical tasks. That's good HyFlex design. Tailored, accessible, and aligned. But how can we reflect on how well we're integrating technology? That's where the CMR model comes in. It describes 4 levels of tech integration: substitution, a digital worksheet instead of paper; augmentation, add links, timers, or voice comments to that worksheet; modification, redesign the task, like having students build a shared resource or database; redefinition, create new learning experiences, like conducting international peer interviews or building an interactive story. For example, instead of a live classroom debate, students use an app to record and respond to each other's video reflections. They pause, listen carefully, use captions or emojis, and build a dialogue across time. That's not just a tech swap, it's redefinition. It enables deeper thinking and wider access, especially for learners who need more time or alternative ways to express themselves. Still, innovation alone isn't enough. We must ask, can all students access the tool from their devices? Does it require high bandwidth or logins that might limit participation? Is it compatible with asynchronous and synchronous learning? Can students with visual, auditory, or processing needs engage meaningfully in the learning process? This is where principles of universal design for learning, UDL, intersect with smart tech use. Let's look at feedback as another example. In person, a gallery walk with peer comments. Online synchronous, live screen sharing with feedback tools. Asynchronous, annotated feedback, voice comments or suggestions in a shared document. The learning goal is the same: more constructive peer feedback, but the tech and method vary according to context. Ultimately, integrating technology in HyFlex is about intentional design, not more tools, not more complexity. However, better alignment with your learning goals, teaching style, and students' lives. When used wisely, technology becomes the invisible infrastructure of inclusive, flexible, and equitable learning.